Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time we drop anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. Guys, you are looking at the future business people, guys. These are our future business guys. This is crazy, guys. So these kids have left their cars, their hood, to come to the freeway and start selling ice, like cool time, you know. So they're busy making their own money. Some of them, they're busy eating there, as you can see, next to Southgate Mall. So big up to these kids who goes out there to hustle, guys. They don't beg for anything, so they're busy eating there, as you can see. I think they bought chips, so they're busy sharing all of them. So guys, big up to parents who give these kids money so they can go and learn how to make money. They say if you want people to take care of the water, let them carry their own water so they can understand the value of each drop. So each and every drops it count, guys. So the other ones are next to Freedom Park, where I stay in Soweto, that side, and then the other ones are standing by Southgate crossing, guys. This is crazy. Yeah, man. So I was going to Rosebank, right? I was going to Rosebank for Sunday market just to check it out. Here I was passing go-karting. If ever you are somebody who likes to drive, this is go-karting, guys. Then boom, I'm in town, guys. I'm in town. Since the pipes burst here, guys, they've been done finishing this Bray Road. Bray Street, guys, is still something else. But before the G20, it was open. So I don't know what's still going on, guys. Seems like the construction is still going on here. There's a lot of bricks that are still lying around, you know. There's a lot of bricks that are still lying around here. So yeah, man. So here I was approaching Ilov Street, where I'm gonna take off and take another cab that is gonna go straight to Rosebank. Because from my hood to town, from town to Rosebank, I have to take two taxi to go to Rosebank. Yeah, sometimes you have to leave the hood. Hey, you have to leave the hood and see, you know, something different. You know, you have to leave your hood, because more dusty on your head, you'll be captured by the place that you stay in. So when you go outside, you get to learn more about people's lifestyle, what people likes and whatnot. Maybe you'll end up finding your passion, you know, something like that. So this is Park Station, guys. Park Station is small. If it was like airport, I can say it's our OR Tambo. This is Johannesburg Park Station, guys. So it's more like, I don't know if they do have international buses, but I think they do. That travel from Park Station to Botswana, from here to from Park Station to, what is this thing, to Zimbabwe and stuff, you know. So this is Rea Vaya Station. It's a bus stops, you know. It's called Rea Vaya, you know. So this bus here that we are approaching, it's for tourists, you know, people who wants to explore Johannesburg, you know. So that bus is, you know, as you can see, it's open on top there. You can just go around taking pictures. So here we were approaching Rosebank. So sooner I was gonna take off here, guys. So boom, I'm out. I'm outside the taxi, as you can see, Rosebank Mall there. Let me turn the camera so you can see, guys. It's me. I'm busy vlogging. I'm going to the Rooftop market now. Now I'm going to the Rooftop market, guys. So Rosebank is divided into two, guys. That side is the zone. It's called the zone on the other side. So this side is a mall where you see Mr. Price and Ackermans and stuff. So that side is the zone, and then this side this side it's is Rosebank Mall, you know. So Rosebank is big. Some guys are busy taking pictures there for people, you know, sending them out. So there's like, I see this Christmas tree, right? It's fascinating, guys. I see this Christmas tree, then I was like, I have to take this thing. And then why are they even putting some windows in it? I don't get it. I don't get it. Now it looks like a bird tree. It's like a bird's tree now, you know, with some windows and whatnot. So yeah, man, it's Christmas spirit. Then I went inside the mall. As you can see, this is a mall, guys. This is a mall. So what I need, I was like, let me take escalators. Let me take escalators on the second floor. On the second floor, I'm gonna take an elevator and go on the rooftop. So as you can see, guys, this is inside the mall. This is inside the mall. The other side is an iStore. You know, it's nice. This is inside the mall. So I went this side because, you know, I wanted to go to the loo to help myself out, because wow, I was pressed, guys. Yeah, man. So I took the elevator to the fourth floor. As you can see me there on the mirror, inside the elevator. Then I was out. So this is the fourth floor, guys. This is where the Sunday market is happening. So now I'm going out now. If guys you have watched till this far and you haven't subscribed, shame on you guys. Shame on you guys. You see, I'm traveling, guys, from the hood, showing you all this dope sites, guys. You have to subscribe, guys. Come on now. So yeah, man, this is where the Sunday market happens. As you can see, this site is a parking lot. That's where like cars parks and everything, right? So just after here, that's where the market starts. So the market starts just here. So from here, passing this stop sign, going that side, it's a market. So now let's see what's cooking on the Sunday market. Make sure, guys, you subscribe, guys. You see, I'm traveling, trying to give you the best sites ever, guys. I'm traveling from the hood, took 2 taxis, guys, for you guys. As you can see, hello, Mr. Snowman. Yeah, man. This is the Sunday market, guys. You see, clothes are clothes, guys. Like food is food, guys. Whoo, guys, look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. If you are somebody who likes fashion, guys, this is a place to be. If you are someone who likes fashion, this is a place to be, guys. This is nice. This is beautiful, guys. If you are into suits, there's like a suit section where you're gonna wear your tuxedos and whatnot. So I want to show you guys almost everything, guys. You see, this is Sunday market, guys. Whoo, traditional wise, handmade stuff, guys. It's on another level, guys. It's on another level. Look at this, guys. And it's big, guys. Sunday market is big. Like, yo, guys, it's a market and a half, guys. See, guys, if you're into like handbags, you know, side bags, there's a section for you there, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot, guys. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to start from this side. See, people are busy checking things out, guys. People are busy checking things out, guys. So here, basically, I was looking for my friend, right? I didn't know that like their market. Oh, look at those The craft work is on another level. It's crazy, guys. So guys, I was looking for my friend, right? So I didn't know, like, her table is not on the rooftop, so they're on the other side of the mall, the zone side. So I was busy checking her out. I didn't see her. Then I end up seeing a lot of Ayoba things. Look at these things, guys. Look at this, man. Oh my goodness. Look at these traditional dresses, bro. Oh my god. Look at these, guys. Look at this, bro. If you want to put this on your bar, there's almost everything, guys. There's like everything, guys. This is crazy. Look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. The Sunday, look at these little bodies here, like the birds and whatnot. Oh, guys, Sunday market is crazy. It's on another level, guys. So this site, it's a food site. This is where people sit and eat, right? On the other side, look at all these paintings, guys. People are talented. People are talented out there, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, bro. Oh my goodness. Rosebank. So you see, that's why I had to move from the hood, so I can give people this glimpse of SA, you know. So if ever you are just gonna chill at one place, where you gonna see these things? Look at this: rhinos, zebras, chicken, ducks. Look at these, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, people are busy buying dresses there, showing them what kind of fabrics they want and whatnot. Guys, on the other side, I didn't show the other side. On the other side, there's like people who are being massaged there. You know, so they're sitting down waiting on them. Look at these guys. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So you see, this is the benefit of traveling, guys. This is the benefit of traveling. When you travel, you get to see things. You know, look at this portrait here. Look at these paintings, guys. Look at these paintings. This is amazing, guys. Look at this, bro. You can hang this on your boardroom. You can hang this on your lounge. You can look at these little guys right here. Look at these guys. A tree can do a lot, guys. A tree can do a lot, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. My friend, she even does the woodwork as well, you know. She plays around about, you know, crafting things using her bare hands, you know. Just a hair, knife, and a failer to make things smoothen things and stuff. So I basically texted here. I texted her here. Look at this, is a food site. This is a food site, guys. So now she told me she's not here, guys. So I had to leave the Sunday market. Now I'm going to her side now. She said, yo, come to the zone side, come to the other side, ground floor. That's where my table is. Then I was like, okay, boom, let me go. I was like, okay. Basically, I just texted her. I was like, I'm gonna find you. Don't worry, don't move. I will find you, Sev. I'm gonna find you, chum. So here I'm going down. As you can see, I'm leaving the rooftop now, taking the escalators, going down. I'm going down here. Let's see. Actually, I need some iPhone, guys. I need an iPhone, guys. I need like a better quality. I need a better quality next time. So here I had to come and take these things, guys. This isn't the old school soccer jerseys, you know. It's Bafana jersey, Kaizer Chiefs jersey, you know, the old ones. You see? So I had to put this in there. Then my dad is just that they don't smoke anymore, right? So I saw these pipes. I was like, this is fascinating, guys. I was like, this is fascinating. I had to take these things. Because nowadays, our old guys don't smoke pipe anymore, you know. They don't smoke pipes anymore. Before it was a thing. Like, can an old man have to have a pipe? I don't know what were they putting inside the pipe. Is it a weed or just a tobacco? I don't know. So yeah, man. So here I was on the other side, the zone side. I was at the zone side here. As you can see, there's some mimes there. You know, funny thing about being a mime, it's crazy. I'm asking myself, what will happen if people don't give them money? Are they gonna, use same position forever until they knock off at their whatever job that they're doing there? I don't know. I'm just asking myself. I'm just being silly, guys. Like, if nobody comes and give them any money, so they are not gonna change at all. That's crazy. Okay, so this is there's one side, right? So this is where my friend she is, guys. Actually, she's on the other side, but I didn't see her. It's crazy. She was busy talking to some customers when I passed. I didn't see her. Look at these watches, guys. An Asian thingy, guys. This things is the one that they were using them during Titanics, before the Titanic sink. They were using those kind of watches there. So guys, I have passed my friend, as I said. Then I went to the other side, right? Then I was like, I don't think there's another antique dealers around here. I'm already done looking, guys. I was like, where is she? Kandi, I have passed her, guys. I have passed here at the back there. So here I went to her brother. There's her brother at this corner, guys. You see where there's this kid here. So the little dealer who is wearing San Francisco's t-shirt, it's Savannah's brother. As you can see, he's pushing his own. The boy is doing good there by his own. Then boom, there she is, guys. My buddy, there she is, guys. She's busy serving some customers there, as always. The best dealer I know, guys. That's Savannah. Hey. So guys, basically this is what Savannah had on the table. She got like pictures, fire extinguisher from 1950s, like pens, so everything, the shoe war thingy, the missile, I think that is a lamp or something. Guys, this is Asian, guys. So each and everything, pipe, from 1960 something there. So each and everything, guys, here, swords. This is, I think, is Queen Elizabeth, the what, the mirrors. Look at this, guys. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. So you got like so that thing goes inside the rifle. You got like silver spoons and whatnot. Look at these things, guys. So each and every item here, it got some history in it. So each and every item, guys, you see, if you want the pens that Napoleon Bonaparte was using back in the day, when they were writing letters, when they just discovered that like they're no longer gonna use feathers, to write with an ink, but now they're gonna use a pen. So everything here is ancient, guys. the rifle, I think it's World War II rifles. Remember, there's the other one that people use powder and that silver bullet thingy. So guys, here I was signing out, guys. You see, somebody gave them something, so now they are moving, they're being, you know, grateful and whatnot. So that was my mini vlog, guys. Going to check on my friends. Signing out, guys. I'm out.